Hey there, this is Pranshu Verma and I am your new teacher of subject of physics. Okay, and I'm going to teach today your important chapter of your physics syllabus, that is current electricity. Okay, current electricity. Now before talk about the current electricity, just think what is the base of the electricity. As you know, the definition of current that is the flow rate of charge. Okay, so before studying about the current, we should know about the charge. What is charge? So today our first topic will be charge. Okay, now let's see what is charge. Charge is not defined. Yeah, is it true? Yes, it is true. Charge is the thing, it's a nature which doesn't have any definition. Like मैं उदास हूँ, why I am उदास, I don't know. Tick, why I am laughing, I don't know. This is simple thing. ठीक है कि charge doesn't have any definition. So how we define the charge? So charge can be defined as the fundamental nature which is of two type, always remember this thing कि charge is a fundamental nature of every particle, each particle which is of two type, दो type का होता है. Okay, we can't say that charge, what is charge. Okay, we just say it is a nature. ये एक स्वभाव है, nature है. Okay, nature that means हिंदी meaning स्वभाव. You don't know हिंदी, I don't know. Okay, let's see. तो हमें पता चला चार्ज दो टाइप का है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट चार्ज इज पॉजिटिव चार्ज. सिंपली द सेकेंड चार्ज विल बिकम नेगेटिव चार्ज. लाइक देयर आर टू पोल्स ऑन द अर्थ. फर्स्ट इज नॉर्थ, तो सेकेंड विल बी साउथ. फर्स्ट इज पॉजिटिव, देन सेकेंड विल बी, ऑब्वियस ही बात है, नेगेटिव. क्यों? बीच का कोई चीज नहीं होगा, न्यूट्रल थिंग विल नॉट बी हियर. ओके, नाउ let's talk about first negative charge, then we'll talk about the positive charge. Okay, what is negative charge first? Yeah, because negative charge is the most fundamental thing. It is the smallest thing. Okay, yes. तो negative charge क्या है? What is negative charge? तो electron has negative charge. The charge on electron is called negative charge. You can easily say that the charge on electron is called negative charge, or electron has negative charge. Okay, only याद रखना है एक चीज, always remember it, कि positive charge that means proton, negative charge that means electron. If anybody has positive charge, that means the numbers of proton is greater in that body, and if the body has negative charge, then means the numbers of electron is greater in that body. With respect to what? With respect to positive charge. And if it has positive charge, that means the numbers of protons is greater than the numbers of electron. Okay, remember it. Now we'll talk about the properties of electron. Negative charge that means electron. The meaning of negative charge is electron. So we'll talk about the properties of electron. So electron has the negative charge, and the charge on electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. What is coulomb? Let me Coulomb. Coulomb was the scientist who first introduced this theory of charge and then it comes true. Okay, ये theory लाया था Coulomb, एक scientist. Okay, and experimentally he proved this theory. So on the behalf of Coulomb, we gave the SI unit of charge as Coulomb. Okay, and which is represented by capital C basically and named as Coulomb. Okay, so the value of negative charge on electron is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus negative 19 minus 19, and it is the smallest charge. It is the smallest charge. Remember it, there is no charge smaller than electron, but American scientists has been found that electron is not the smallest charge. It has the charge can be smaller than 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. It might be E by 3. Okay, E by 3 or 2E by 3. Okay, but in our syllabus, according to our syllabus, there is no smallest charge rather than electron. Okay, so always remember it, electron has the smallest charge. Now let's see, electron is also the smallest particle. Okay, or I have to use lightest particle. I should use lightest. Lightest मतलब सबसे हल्का है, सबसे हल्का मतलब the mass of the electron is much less, बहुत छोटा है, इससे छोटा कुछ नहीं दुनिया में. This is the smallest mass that human found ever. Okay, and the mass of electron is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Minus 31 kg. Your mass is you are a student of class 10, so your mass should be in between 30 to 40 kg. Okay, might be possible that there were a boy or a girl which has less than 30 kg of mass, but the electron is more less than you. Okay, you are not the lightest one. Okay, electron is the lightest one, मतलब सबसे हल्का दुनिया में. ठीक है, in the world the electron is the lightest. Electron is the fundamental particle. Okay, electron, proton and the neutron, three particles are the fundamental particles, or among of three, electron, proton, neutron, electron is the lightest, proton is heavier, and the neutron is the heaviest in three. Okay, let's see, write it down and always remember two things, then the mass of the electron and the charge on the electron. ये इम्पोर्टेंट है, बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, 11-12 तक आपको बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस रखते हैं. एंड आफ्टर देन इफ़ यू चूज योर डेस्टिनी लाइक BTech or BSc or related to these things, so you have to remember, a common sense हो जाता है एक टाइम के बाद, ये common sense हो जाता है. तो you have always remember these two values, the charge on the electron and the mass of the electron, that is equal to 9.1 into 10 minus 31 kg, and the charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 kg coulomb. Oh sorry, 19 coulomb. Okay, now we'll talk about the positive charge. Now we talk about, and now you get to know why I discuss negative charge first and now I am discussing positive charge, as negative charge is the fundamental thing. Okay, now let's see, proton has positive charge, proton has positive charge, proton has positive charge. Okay, and the charge on proton, कितना होता है charge on proton? Simple equal to the charge of electron. Yes, the charge on electron is equal to the charge of proton, but the nature is opposite. The nature is opposite. Both charge has equal value, but the nature is opposite. मतलब if one electron wants to go towards there in this direction, then the proton will go towards this direction. Okay, ये राम और श्याम है, राम इधर जाएगा, श्याम इधर जाएगा. ओके, इस तरीके से काम करेंगे. ओके, नाउ द मास ऑफ प्रोटॉन. Mass of proton. Mass of proton is equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Let's see, minus 27 kg. The mass of electron is minus 31 kg. If you find the ratio and forget about the numeric numbers, so minus 27 divided by minus 31, this 31 will go up, okay, and this become minus 27 plus 31, that comes 10 to the power 4. A proton is 10 to the power 4 times greater than an electron. 10 to the power 4 का means होता है 10,000, मतलब 10,000. okay, the meaning of 10 to the power 4, that means 10,000. मतलब if I take in my hand 10,000 electron and here only one proton, this will be equal to each other, approximately equal to each other. Okay, 10,000 electrons is approximately equal to one proton in mass, but the charge on electron is on one electron is equal to the charge on one proton. ये रिलेशन है दोनों के बीच में कि मास वाइज देखा जाए तो प्रोटॉन इज हैवियर देन वन इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड 10,000 टाइम, नॉट सो लाइक कि दुगना है तिगना है, 10,000 टाइम हैवियर है. दैट मीन्स इफ आई एम इलेक्ट्रॉन, ओके, इफ आई एम अ इलेक्ट्रॉन, then the mass of a whole building, okay, mass of a whole building will be a proton. Now you get understand what I am trying to say. Okay, this is the relation between the mass of electron and proton. Now you get it, write it down. Okay, now from here there is a neutral particle that is called neutron, है ना, and but we don't going to discuss about it as it is not a charge. Charge is a scalar quantity, remember this also charge is a scalar quantity, and the unit of charge is coulomb, as I told you before. Okay, now let's see the current. As we already know what is charge, so now we can better understand the current. What is current? So current is nothing but the flow rate of charge. With respect to time. But there is no feeling about this sentence. You can't feel this. Okay, now let's see what is current. Current is the smoke of electrons. If you see aircrafts, okay, कोई aircraft हवा में उड़ रहा है, okay, तो it release some smoke, okay, it release some smoke before it. okay, यहाँ पे कोई aircraft उड़ता है तो उसके पीछे कुछ धुआं सा रह जाता है. This is current. When electrons move in a wire, okay, electron drifts, and you know the meaning of drift. मेरे ख्याल से आप लोग लड़के होंगे तो वो लगाते भी होंगे, ड्रिफ्ट करते भी होंगे. जो ड्रिफ्ट, मैं वही बहुत ड्रिफ्ट बोल रहा हूँ जो आप समझ रहे हैं, जो कार या बाइक, इजीली बाइक से होता है और साइकिल से भी होता है, कि द इम्प्रेशन ऑफ टायर, ठीक है, इम्प्रेशन ऑफ टायर ऑन द रोड, on the road. If it is road, okay, and you are riding on cycle, okay, and you riding the cycle very fast and just brake it, so the brake doesn't apply at the instant, है ना, और some tire छप जाता है road पर. The impression of the tire get on the road. That this process you know as drifting, okay. This process is you know as a drifting, and same process of drifting comes into picture when electron moves in a wire. When electron moves in a wire, what happens? The positive charge in the wire attracted. Electrons is attracted by the positive charge in the wire, but the kinetic energy or the speed of the electron is too much, so it will not going to stop, but there will be a speed brake, okay. The positive charge works for a speed brake, ठीक है, speed breaker, like a speed breaker. What speed breaker do? We have to brake our vehicle when we see there is a speed breaker. Or electron also do, when there will be a positive charge in the path of electron, it has to be stopped for a while, but in the next second it get speeded up, अपनी स्पीड तुरंत बढ़ा देता है and fastly go. This process, in this process there will be effect of drifting, and this drifting causes the current. If electron doesn't have to stop, there will be no current, okay. To make a continuous current, okay, electron should be stopped, okay. Now no one going to say this theory to you, as it is the part of 12th class and you are in 10th now, okay. So you just have to remember the thing that I said, the flow rate of charge with respect to time. Obviously बात है कि electron is a charge, okay, electron is a charge. So but the direction of current, the direction of current is always opposite to the flow of electron. Flow of electron से opposite direction में flow करेगा current, always opposite. Now if del q charge flow through wire in del t seconds, if del q charge is flow through a wire in del t second में del q charge flow किया है wire के through, then I will become equal to del q by del t. This is the basic definition and the basic formula of current. As I am saying, this is basic thing. We do have lots of many formulas of related to current, as Ohm's law you will study later, and current density, or we do have Ampere circuital law, Biot-Savart law. There are lots of many formulas through which we can find the current, but this is the fundamental thing, this is the basic formula of current. जहाँ से करंट आया ये वहाँ की बात करता है, del q by del t, okay. Now as the charge is a scalar, time is a scalar, current is a scalar quantity. Current is a scalar quantity, okay. And the unit of current you say coulomb per second, which is also named as ampere. Who is ampere? Ampere was a scientist who do many things about the current, but it doesn't discover the current, but he generate some many formulas. Okay, so this is the tribute to him, Ampere. Okay, and the SI unit of current is ampere. Always remember. Okay, current is a fundamental base quantity. याद रखना, current is a fundamental base quantity. We do have 7 base quantities in our physics, and current is one of them. Okay, like mass, time, length, there are 7 base quantities. So in these quantities, like temperature, okay, so in these 7 quantities, current is one of them. Okay, so the unit of ampere is a base unit, and the current is a base quantity. So we talk about the current later, and in the next lecture we are going to talk about potential energy. What is electrostatic potential energy, potential, electrostatic potential, electrostatic potential energy difference, electrostatic potential difference. 4 quantities हैं, उनको डिस्कस करेंगे. देन ओम्स लॉ, ओके, रेजिस्टेंस, सीरीज एंड पैरेलल कनेक्शन. We do have many thing to do in this lecture, in this chapter. So this is the chapter which is so much full of interest. Okay, so please, if you do have any query, you can ask me at any time through the group. Okay, I'm in your group, or you can personally message me from on the WhatsApp. Okay, so try to understand. This is the simple thing that I teach you today, and let's see in the next class. Thank you everyone.